Okay.
I'm gonna get me a drink, watch the game a little bit.
Exactly.
My women going off already.
That was cool. The captain, cool.
So, get some ice real quick. Watch the game.
Let's do that ice.
Minyama.
Providing flu-like symptoms of vaccines. Liver problems leading to hospitalization may occur when treated for cause.
He can take my eye. What's this? Cranberry juice? Just straight?
Yeah, that little cranberry and
Travel,
blueberry.
and then there's Seeing the World with Platinum, the largest global hotel
What's this,
program.
lemonade?
Something like knowing at fine hotels and resorts, the complimentary breakfast starts your day, and you have more time to never having to rush home thanks to late checkout. With exceptional travel benefits worldwide, there's nothing like Platinum.
Switch to T-Mobile in just 15 minutes and get
Bid on it.
no trade needed.
Back.
Okay. I'm gonna get me a drink, watch the game a little bit.
Exactly.
My women going off already.
The phone's gonna disconnect.
Women going off already.
Maybe it's going on.
What's up? What's happening?
Is it raining?
Just trying to do something.
No, you gotta get picked up. It's funny.
Like a cougar.
That was cool. The captain.
Hey, what's happening? This is your boy Joe Torre. That's right, the legendary Joe Torre. And I'm coming to Hynella, Jersey. Hynella. Never been there, never heard of it. But I'm coming because I'm a funny fella coming to Hynella. And where will I be June 14th? Wilson's Restaurant and Live Music Lounge. We got comedy that day. Joe Torre, hosted by Talent. Joe Torre and friends. We're in the building June 14th. Get your tickets. Yes, I think the doors open at 6, shows at 7. It's a Sunday, June 14th. Hynella, New Jersey. Your boy Joe Torre is coming. Damn, is he funny? The legend is seriously funny. See you there. Whack 100. And they gotta keep trying to reinvent themselves by bullshit.
Yeah. No, my guy was like, man, you should get whacked. You know, he live around. I said, nigga, I do not. I asked God, please don't bring that nigga to my studio. I don't want nothing to do with that nigga. Yeah, he was out there with him. Yeah. Don't try to treat mine different.
Excuse me, he didn't treat me with such a manner and bring me on with
See, I gave him water. I guess that when you be nice to people, that's when it's bad.
I coughed for water. Brought my own actually.
Anyway,
Yes, Mr.
Welcome back. I haven't had this podcast in a minute. I got my good homie.
Okay.
How long I know you, man? It's been 2000.
Joe Torre or Joseph Torre. You know,
No,
it's different.
no.
It's different ones.
Joe Torre. We met in what 2018 when we shot the movie. Was that 18 or 17?
I thought it was longer than that.
It's
Seems
almost
longer than
10
that.
years.
Seems longer than that.
Well, I got here in 14.
So the movie workout room.
Workout room.
Oh yeah. So whatever that has transpired, seems like we've seems like you've been my little brother for a little while now.
It's been like 10 years, at least 10
It
years.
seems longer than that, man. But that's progress and that's energy and that's projects.
Yeah.
I guess that we worked on.
Right. So this is man needs no introduction, but I gotta introduce him anyway. This man is a legend, black comedy legend. If you have a family member that is the age of 50 or over, and is a woman, she probably is in love with this man. He got all the aunties.
Just 50?
60.
What,
Maybe
40?
40s. It was 40s.
30s.
You might get the 40s, but it's up. But how old is poetic justice at this point? 'Cause that's where they really really love you from. That was the start. And then you went.
It's Poetic is like 30-something years old.
Poetic Justice about 30 now?
Yeah, so it should be like 30-something years, yeah, because Tales in the Hood is 30.
Mics
You want it
back
this way,
like
right?
that,
Yeah.
or the mic's to us?
No, the mic's back like that.
You want this way?
Yeah. So one, we can try to get a thumbnail. So we can get a thumbnail out
I
of it.
think your thumbs in them.
A thumbnail.
You sit down.
Thumbnails.
Yeah. Couple for the gram. Let's get one standing up too.
Yeah.
And you can see.
that for him or
Show
you?
the. Show
No,
the.
this is for him.
Yeah, show the like the
Send them to me,
equipment
then,
and
man.
everything.
Send them to me, man.
I said show the equipment and everything too.
Oh, this in the back?
Yeah, like just you see the lights, like you know what I'm saying.
Get it on top.
Yeah, like you can see, kind of see.
One like that. I can get one through the monitor
Yeah,
too.
yeah, no.
We can just go right here, like you know what I'm saying.
Like a little. Oh, for you.
You get the camera though.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, real quick.
Oh, they got like studio time.
Nah, it's one of my teachers.
It's a wrap. It's a wrap.
We can still take pictures and stuff. But
Wow.
one of my teachers, they doing this murder mystery, and I let them rehearse in here. So
okay.
they ain't paying nothing. So. Let me at least let.
All right, well, we just wrap up here.
Finally, I got bro in the hot seat. I got to ask him the hard hitting questions, the stuff that I always press him about, the stuff he be skipping over in these other interviews.
They don't ask him.
He be trying to be a nice guy in other interviews. They be looking for the clicks about Tupac. Nah, we ain't doing none of that. We got to the real Joe Torre today.
Yes, we did, baby. Tune in, baby. Where's it gonna be?
It's imaginationupgraded.com, bringing the podcast back. So,
Let's do it. The legend is here.
yes,
Got some
sir.
good stuff.
Legendary. Actually, let me.
Birthday, man. No, this is crazy. Imagine getting pulled over in this. Woo! Know what that sign for? Know what that logo means? Hands up, don't shoot, please. Woo! And a cop car running in the back. God damn, that's get out with the AR-57s. AK-15s, all them bitches.
All right, guys. Appreciate you guys.
Why did I do the prison pose? Damn.
Good jokes today, brother. How you been, brother?
All right, man. I'll see you out there.
Come on, man.
You too, man.
They got what they got. Okay, generator, Gibbs, Canes, ball, yeah. This is flashing, right? On my glasses? It's flashing? Okay, yeah, it's recording it. They got coffee, okay. No, I was gonna go up there and get that. They got merch. Good merch. Why? What happened for the cart? You can get the cart. Is that the youngin right there? I knew that was the youngin. I need that all-star. I need that all-star apparel.
Yeah, I'm good.
You good?
I'm gonna get
You get your own?
What up, OP? Hey, where'd you get that all-star long sleeve? I need that. Oh, I was there too. Heard a lot about you, young man.
Hey, I'm gonna see if they can get you your
TJ, nice to meet you.
Sean, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. So you a 19-year-old pro phenom? Okay, okay. I don't got in golf, but I got in basketball, man. Oh, word? Okay. What position? Or just for fun? Point guard, yeah. Little slasher in you, little shooter, little playmaking. Okay, I like that. I like that. And then golf, just like what is a passion now?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's your focus. I like that.
About to jump in my third car. A lot of y'all don't have third car. I do.
Where the keys at? Where the keys? That's my valet right there. Where my keys?
Solo birdie, let's go.
TJ, you got this, baby. And TJ, I love you. Okay, I love you. Okay, I'm sorry.
Wherever it goes, it's going. What ball is that? What a fake ball? You gave me a fake ball?
That's what I want to make sure you recorded it. Is that the bourbon man? I take one. Yeah, I'm happy to see that. Yep. No, it's fine.
I'm just gonna smack on another one. Huh? I'll smack another one. You can take my swing.
I know I do it, so I swing hard.
You gotta be light and effortless, but with a little like. That was a good one. Like that, like you just don't know when somebody's gonna hit. Like you just don't know when you gotta lightly, and then you're hitting it with this still touching the grass. You know what I'm saying? You gotta keep it a little up, so it's like, you know what I mean? So when you're here, it's the same motion, so you don't keep your eye off the ball. So it's a hard sport for sure.
What are these damn beer sponsors?
Where's the cart lady? I lost that one.
Go to the left.
Stay on this side. Stay on this side. Kick right. Kick right. There.
Oh, okay. Kick right.
I'll take it. I got a lucky bounce.
Hey, you on the green.
So the wind made it go left.
No, he hit it left.
Oh, he hit it left.
If you're around,
Oh, 'cause it's not windy right here.
Left-handed people go to this side. Right-handed people go to
comfortable zone.
Oh, he left-handed.
Oh, I like that shot. Oh, I like that.
Oh,
I feel pretty comfortable with it.
those are like the shoes I was gonna get, right? At the team inside.
Oh my gosh. That's a hole in one. Is that on the green? Oh. That gotta be. Nah, that's crazy. Nah, that was. Nah, that's crazy. I don't know how that's. Damn, how do you even follow that? Yeah, I was about to say. Alright, fuck, man. Alright, here we go. Oh! Damn, that went fucking right. Nah, that's cool. Nah, hey, I didn't swing today.
Months?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. No, chop. There you go.
Yeah.
Bright stars through the perilous time. For the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets' red flare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave for the land of the free and the hope of the
Alright, now remain standing. We're going to be saying the Pledge of Allegiance. Ready? Begin. I pledge
Allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Also, we're going to be having a flyover, guys. So just stand by. It's en route. So just stand by, please.
I see it's en route, all right. I dunk on you. Hey, the more you hit, you looking like Tiger Woods. Nah, he good. That's a young Tiger right there. What was it, Tyler's?
Yeah, it's the same one as this one.
Oh, let me see if we got it.
Did you ever see that?
My fault. Oh, yeah, like you riding. Yeah. Okay. Maybe another one. Hold on.
Should we do a video like that, like I'm riding?
Okay. Yeah, I can zoom in like you ride. Okay.
So, yeah, so this is over here. But then I was like, well, yeah, I mean, I don't know.
Wrong bag.
Okay.
Oh, you were faking them?
Yeah, I'm faking it. Yeah, it looked like
it don't look bad. There you go.
Okay, cool.
That's it right there. Woo! Where we going?
To the 10th hole.
10th hole?
Yes,
What's
sir.
going on at the 10th hole?
Hey, what you need?
Man, I need something right now. I got a beer in my hand. Let me put this motherfucker back.
Shall we take a shot?
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, my fault, Matt. Oh, what you doing?
Yeah, we are at the 10th hole, baby.
The 10th mother. Oh! Come on, man.
Let's go.
What we doing? What we doing?
How you doing?
The toys are here. The toys are here.
Yeah, 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 yeah. You said shot.
I did say a shot.
Let's do it in shot.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh! You got Reposado?
Well, what you want? What you need?
Well.
I'll do bourbon. I like this one. But that's just me.
Nah, this is fire.
A shot of that. And a shot of that. A shot of that.
Okay.
And a puff of those.
Okay.
A shot of all of y'all.
Is that the the bourbon man? I take one. Yeah, I'm having tequila. That's my you know. Oh, Reverend. All right.
Live your life with bravery. There you go. Bravery Brewing Company.
Live your life with bravery.
Where are they? Tell them where they're at. He's filming.
Filming right here. You want to give a promotion to the brand? You want to shout out? Give a little inspiration of the golf?
Yeah, it's
Go ahead.
right over on 8th Street.
Okay.
East.
Okay,
Excuse
cool.
me, west. Right by the DMV.
Okay, cool.
Everything's brewed in-house.
Brewed.
Yeah, it's wonderful.
And they have
lots of award-winning beers.
Pizza kitchen, and charcuterie boards. And
Okay.
pretzels and wings.
Pretzels and wings.
And then they have the TVs out on the back patio now.
Oh, you can watch the games.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
There's a cigar night, like every Tuesday. You can sit on the back patio and have beer and smoke cigars.
Okay.
There's all kinds of
And they have
stuff.
blues bands come on. There's
Blues bands.
Third Sunday. So the
Sunday
next
of
one
every
is coming up on June 7th.
June 7th. Okay. Out in Palm.
It's fun.
Okay, cool. All right. We'll check it out. What's your name?
Carrie.
TJ.
All right, pleased
Nice
to
to
meet
meet you.
I'm Karen.
TJ, nice to meet you. That's Joe.
Hey, Joe.
We're going to win this tournament today. Inspiration by the bravery.
Beautiful day.
Beautiful day. It's windy. Stay, warm. Yeah. All right. Thank you, guys. Cheers. It's a good beer. I'm not gonna lie. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh my God. You said what? You said what song? What? You said what? You said what? Oh my God.
And he better be glad, man, if it was over here.
It fit a little bit. I saw it from the side, like it kind of like took a little backspin. Oh, it checked up. Yeah.
Microphone check.
It's alright. I put it in the spot. I need to learn how I do that so I can do it, not do it while. Right.
It's on?
These are fine.
What are they doing?
How they do? Are they on?
Well, hold the button, man.
I did. I heard it say something.
Oh, you did? Yeah, it's flashing.
Okay. All right. then. Let's do it. Encore, baby. Let's go. It's your boy. Oh, shit. Here she come.
Where do you post your content at?
Huh?
Where do you post your content at?
On Instagram. Yeah. I'm trying to make it look like I'm playing, right?
Let's go, Joe. No. The fuck, man? There you go. You can stop it.
All up in here, P? I need a shot. I need a shot now. Nigga. Yeah. Hook me up. What we doing? I need this again. That's how it I got it. I got my ID. We almost done. We gotta go. I can't get on the back end. What's up with this? All right, I'll get it later. Huh? I was waiting for my shot. Oh, I thought we had to go. Oh, she got my camera in them. Yeah, we about to wrap up. Yeah, let me get one real quick. You gotta take one with me though. Why not? Why not? That's crazy. I was just dancing.
What you do? I didn't see you.
I did my two-step. Go.
Hey, didn't I tell you about Sean? Actually, Sean ain't got no backbone, huh?
Yeah, he said he did Taekwondo. I said, alright. That's a bad man right there. Oh, shit.
I know, right? Yeah. What a two.
I got a little angry at the shot, okay?
I could, you know what's so funny? I could tell.
I got a little angry, so I put some more oomph into it.
I could tell that was like, I'm taking out my frustration. Yeah, that's like a way up here. I'm seeing it here.
Baby. Oh!
That's it.
That was in.
You saw that, right? That was in.
That motherfucker hit dead center.
Shaking your hand. That's not it.
That was supposed to be.
You ain't pulled a stick. You counting that, right? You ain't gonna send it off at 18? Congratulations. It hit it. I got evidence. I got proof right here.
But all you're doing is vexing me. I know you have been bending over backwards, doing somersaults for you. I'm giving everything I have. It's never good enough for you. You have been bending over.
go get it.
Drops tonight at midnight. Go get it.
Yep, go get it. Appreciate you. We out here, man. That's what I do, man. They do it over the bill. We here, gang. What we on? The dog? Can I say something, doggy? Where, can we get some interviews with the models? Wait, who are the models? Oh, these the models? These the models? Got the models? Nigga, bam out of bio. 83, bam out of bio. Y'all don't want to interview models? Y'all want to? Okay, we're my nigga right here. Joe and Joe, ×2. You know what I mean? Out here, wildin'. If it's worth it to you, it's worth it to him. It should be worth it to you. To us. Yeah. Y'all here. Yeah.
Oh yeah, I want my photo.
Get all the love, man.
Thank you. And I want to shout out my girl right now, Flora. Love you. This next song, which is also one of her favorites. It's so funny because so when I was writing the song, it's the way I would describe this song is like it's a song about community wrapped in a song about partying. So I'm just thinking about everything's expensive right now. It's hard to go out. Everybody's looking for somewhere else to hang out with people, be in community with people. And so a lot of the messaging in the song is fuck the club, we don't gotta do all that to be together, and it'd be cool.
Hit go, wait, whoa, hey, okay. Whoa, yeah, okay, what, go, yeah, okay, what, yeah, oh, okay, damn. Sage doing this thing, he been in.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is If It's Working To You by me and Love the Danger. Thank you all for being here every day. So it's crazy that it's here now for this moment. So I feel like we just claimed it, we just stole it from the valley. So I feel like this is a triumphant moment. But yeah, I want to say thank you to everybody for being here. I'm gonna let Eric hop back on here, grab some drinks. Have a good time, meet some people. This is my whole family is here. Everybody I love is here. So yeah, thank you guys. Eric, put your ass in here, man. We're supposed to be partying and the music ain't on. Come on, dog. What's up? That was the speech was time for you to. Yeah, come on, bro. Look at it.
Let me pick a song first.
I think you got it. Yeah, you mean
we get it.
Feels like 29 seconds.
I know. I'm gonna just keep taking it.
She's just taking pictures.
A little bit more energy than that, damn it! Let's go!
I know, for real. Let's put the music on. We gotta do the silence.
Like this. And close out the vlog though.
Huh?
Oh shit, yeah.
What happened?
Close out the vlogs, right?
All right, y'all. It's been a beautiful night. Man, it's been crazy here at Valley Relics. Yeah. Man, thank you to my whole family for being here. My parents. Thank you to my girl for being here. Thank you to my family. Look, my guys, my bros. Come on. Hey, you know if it's worth it to you, out right now. Go stream that everywhere. Please don't drop this camera. We can't afford another one. But everybody, go stream that right now. Top Heavy, Bless, Chamomile. Whatever else is on there, Flower Print, go play that immediately. Yeah.
Last thing.
Go tell them to find out what 1681 means.
Oh, yeah. Go find out what 1681 means. Look up equal by definition.
It's the bars within the bars.
The bars within the bars. That's right. Come on. There's layers to this. There's layers to this. You gotta go check it out.
Let's go. So nobody knows. I made that.
No? Nobody?
That's why you gotta go look it up. Because I made it up.
If I made it up, you gotta look it up.
You want solo shots?
I do.
Yo, watch it, bro.
Shut your ass up.
Popping out tonight, we like fuck it. Went negative on my fun spin, trying to function through the dysfunction. Like for drug that I fell in love with. We can meet up outside the London. And mom back tonight and she blushing. Says she's sick of all that redundant. Feel more alive when it's jumping. Now we driving fast, lane to lane. Took off on a paper plane. Therapy, my mind went blank.
What ball is that? You're a fake ball? You gave me a fake ball? That's what I want to make sure you recorded it.